In this video, I'll show you how to view all revisions or versions of a transcript in Descript. Now, this may be important if you wanted to know when you did a particular change that is inside Descript. The only downside to this at the time of recording this video is that the particular change that you made in Descript is not indicated. So that is the only downside to this, but it's pretty simple to see the different changes or the different versions of a transcript in Descript. And it's pretty easy to see that. There are two options to see or show the version history. You can come up to the view window here, just click on view, and then click on show version history. That's one way, and you'll see the version history on the right side. Now we can just close this out so that I can show you the second way. The second way to show the version history is from this particular drop down here, where you see the Descript logo, and if you click on that particular drop down, you can see view version history. If you click on that, the version history of this particular transcript is actually going to be auto-populated on the right. Now, this is the current version 107. It's an autosave 18 minutes ago by you, etc. You can view all the versions. These are all iterations. And if you want to show all versions of this particular transcript, ensure that you check this particular switch or toggle it on so that you see the different versions of whatever you've done. So let's assume you scroll down to maybe about 2 years ago. Let's say about 2 years ago. It's an autosave. Now the only downside, as I mentioned at the initial section of this video, is that they don't let you know what you changed or what this particular option was. You can click on view, and if you click on view, it's going to give you the file, that is that particular file during that particular date, that is 2 years ago. So it's taking a little bit of time, but we now see it here, and this is what we had back then. If you wanted to keep this particular old version, then you can come to restore and just restore that. But let's assume that's not what we wanted. We just wanted to see the different versions. But if it's what you wanted, you can just hit on restore. And once you click on restore, then you're going to get this pop-up with the file name or the composition name will be restored to version 27 from July 4th at 9:09 a.m. This may cause conflicts if other people are currently editing this project. All other versions can still be accessed through the version history. So that's pretty awesome. But I wish they'd put across what edit or what change was made in this particular option. So since I don't want to do the restore version, I'll just close this out and then just close the version history option off. So that is how you can show or view the version history or the changes you've made to a transcript in Descript. Thanks for watching this video. My name is David. Until next time, stay safe and never stop learning. Thanks for watching.